This video emphasizes the details involved in basic striking. The first technique that we're going to work on is what we call the jab. That is a punch with our front hand. Notice how she takes a half step as she moves forward. The punch comes straight from the cheek. The second technique is what we call the cross. This is a rear hand strike and is prefaced by a half step and a twisting of the hips. Okay, ready? The third technique is what we call the hook. This is a sideways strike. We try and emphasize making sure the elbow is behind the fist. This can be done at various levels, and notice the pivot on the bottom foot. The last technique is what we call the uppercut. That is done with the rear hand in this particular case, and you'll emphasize the legs being used in the striking. Notice how she keeps her elbow in tight to her body and punches upward. In this video, we show the 2, 3, and 4 count combinations, including a tie kick.
3, 2.
Notice how each time she does a tie kick, she steps offline at a 45-degree angle and kicks across the pad.
Jab, jab, cross. 4, uppercut. 2.
Is tie combo number 1. This is the sequence in which it is done. Jab, cross, tie kick. Parry the cross, cover the hook, return hook, cross, tie kick. Shield the tie kick, cross, hook, tie kick. Done full out, it looks something like this. The other aspect of this curriculum is the holding. So you notice Mr. Owen has to hold for each of these different techniques. So one more time through the process looks like this. Jab, cross, tie kick. Notice how when he holds for a tie kick, he steps back into a front stance, holds the tie pad at about belt level so that Mr. Adam can step across the line and kick across the target. The second section, Mr. Owen throws a cross and a hook, hitting the person alongside the head, and then he holds for a return hook and cross and another tie kick. From that point, Mr. Owen throws a tie kick, so he steps offline, kicks across the target line, holds for a cross, a hook, and one last tie kick.